Hello everyone, welcome to Key2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can submit a DMCA takedown request and remove a content from Google. So when someone copied your content and paste it as it is on their own website, then you can easily send a DMCA notice through Google and remove that content from Google search. So let's check the exact process how you can do that. And before that, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video to appreciate the effort. So let's start the video. So for this you have to search in Google. So I will type like remove content from Google, and here you have to click on the first result, remove content from Google legal help. So just click on it, and here you will see a screen like this. So here you can select Google search or blogger website, or you can select YouTube. So in this case I will click on Google search option, and then it will ask you to select the product. So in this case I will click on Google search, and here scroll down, and here you will see some options like you can report malware or phishing sites, or you can report a private information that is published on another website and you want to remove that information from that website. So you can select that option. So in this case I will select the intellectual property issue. So this is the copyright infringement, or if someone copied the content, then you have to select the intellectual property issue option. Now scroll down, and here in this case I will click on the copyright infringement option. And if you have a trademark and if someone violated your trademark, then you can select the trademark, or you can select the counterfeit goods. If someone use your brand and sells the product on their own website, then you can select the counterfeits. So in this case I will click on the copyright infringement option, because this is a blog and this is a digital work. So in the next option you have to select that yes, I am the copyright owner of the website, or if you are sending DMCA notice on behalf of someone else, then you have to select no, I am not the copyright owner, but I am authorized to act the copyright owner's behalf. So in this case I will click on yes, I am the authorized owner, and then you will see two options. One is image and this second one is other. So in this case I will click on other, because this is a blog post. So now scroll down and now click on create request, and before that make sure to log into your Google account where you want to send the DMCA notice. So here in this case I have already logged into my account. Now you have to add your first name and last name. So make sure to add the legal name that is used on your website. So in this case I will type my name, and in the company name field I will type TechieLive. And now choose copyright holder. So I will click on self, and I will click on I confirm that I am the copyright holder. Now in the email address field, let me just change the email address. And then you have to click on the country or region. So as I am living in India, I will select the India. Now scroll down, and you can leave this option to no unless it is a live stream event. Now scroll down, and then you have to mention the issue that has happened. So in this case I have already written information like hello, I am Abhishek Padi from TechieLive.in, and my blog content is copied by a site called this and published as it is without my permission. Please remove that content from this website as soon as possible. So let me just copy this content from here, and let me just paste it here. Now you have to show the example of the work. So here you have to paste your own blog URL. So this is the blog URL of my website. So I will copy the original URL here and scroll down, and here you will ask you to add the infringement material URL. So in this case I will add the copied URL. So let me just copy this and let's paste it. Now if you want to add multiple URLs, like let me just go to this website and let's click on home, and let me just scroll down, and as you can see this website is copied 2 blog posts from my website. So I will add another request. So for this I will click on add a new group, and here you can add 10 URLs at a time. So let me just paste the same thing again. So let me just copy this and paste it here. Now you have to add the second URL. So this is the original URL that is published in my blog post. So I will paste it here, and in the second field I will paste the copied URL. So this is the copied URL. So let me just paste it here. Now you have to click on please check to confirm. So I will click on this 3 option, and then you have to add the date of the signature. So make sure to add the month first, then you have to add the date and then year. So today is December 11th. So I will type 12, then 11 date, and then I will type the year. Then I will type the signature and then click on I am not a robot. And after that you have to click on the submit button. So I have already sent a copyright request to this website, and as you can see the URL is pending. So let me just click on this option, and as you can see I have already sent the DMCA takedown request to this website, and it will generally takes 10 to 15 days to approve or reject the URL. So a representative from Google manually check the issue, and if they think that the takedown request is right, then they will approve your URL. So in this way you can send DMCA takedown request to the website that copied your content. So let's check how you can identify which website copied your content. So for this I will use this website Copyscape. So just search for this website and let's click on this website. Now let me just copy the URL. So let me just copy this URL here. So this is the blog URL of my website. So I will paste it and I will click on go. So it will analyze the website, and as you can see this is the website that copied the content, and I have already sent the DMCA notice to this website. So in this way you can identify the websites that are copying your content and paste it on their website without your permission. So I hope you got the idea how to send DMCA takedown notice, and if you still have any doubts then you can ask me in the comment section. And if this video is helpful to you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.